Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into BigBearAI, ticker symbol BBAI, an AI stock that generates serious buzz, but also plenty of controversy. With BBAI stock up over 400% in the past year, many of you have been asking, is this a AI defense contractor, a golden opportunity, or a speculative gamble? Let's break down BBAI, what it does, its recent performance, whether it deserves a place in your portfolio. As you know, this is not financial advice or recommendation. This is my analysis as of March 2025. Let's go. BigBearAI operates in the red-hot artificial intelligence sector, specifically focusing on decision intelligence solutions. Unlike consumer-facing AI companies, BBAI primarily serves government clients, including the Department of Defense, Air Force, Army, and Navy. Think of them as providing a specialized AI tool that helps military intelligence agencies make better decisions with their data. A crucial niche in national security becomes increasingly dependent on technology superiority. BBAI has secured some impressive contracts recently. A significant Department of Defense award to advance its virtual anticipation networks, VANs, is a 5-year, $165 million deal with the US government. This contract doesn't just impress headlines, they represent stable long-term revenue streams, which are particularly valuable given the current market volatility. Let's talk numbers. In 2023, BBAI reported revenues of $155.16 million, barely higher than its 155.101 million dollars. Not exactly explosive growth. However, analysts are projecting better days ahead. 2024 revenue is expected to between 165 and 180 million, which would be a 6 to 16% growth rate, and 2025 revenue is projected to be around 192.5 million, a 14% increase. The company is also working towards profitability. They're forecasting positive adjusted EBITDA of 4.8 million in 2025, but there's reality. BBAI remains unprofitable with 2023 net losses of 6.37 million. Their most recent quarter earnings showed an earnings per share of negative 5 cents. In January 2025, BBAI appointed Kevin McAleenan as the CEO. This is potentially significant because McAleenan served on the Trump administration, and with Trump now back in office, these government connections could help BBAI secure additional contracts. With a market cap of approximately 2.2 billion and trading at 7 to 8 times next year's projected sales, some analysts argue BBAI is undervalued compared to its peers like Palantir, which we all know about, which has traded a much higher multiples. However, the average price target sits at $4.50. Some project up to $5.83 compared to the recent close of $5.69. This suggests limited upside according to Wall Street. But let's look at the charts and the daily price projections. So this is BBI's weekly chart. And what I want to show you here is we had a major up week, the week of February 3rd, high volume week for there, as you can see by the large candlestick here. And then we topped out on February 10th, week of February 10th. And then since then we have slid down and we are now at the 15-week moving period of time. The yellow is the 63-week moving period of time. Let's look at the daily, and this is well, let's step back real quick. Oscillators, the slow stochastic RSI, along with the MACD are all starting to roll over. Yet, when I look at the daily chart of this, we have come down to the 62-day period moving average. I use the 62 in the 15-day for really just quantitative purposes. I want to look at basically a quarter of the year in time. That's 62 trading days. And if you look, and I look at the 15-day and less period, because that front runs the street who looks at the world in 4-week periods, or in that case, 20 days. So I want to front run it in a sense. So what I saw this past couple weeks is a slide down to the 62 period moving average, 62-day moving average. And on Friday, the 28th, we bottomed and moved higher and closed higher. I see this as a potential strong support level. The 62-day trend here looks like support to me. And I believe in the next 15 or so trading days, we could see a move back up towards 746. That is the 15 period. And from there, that would be a great 44% return on my money investment wise. I see my slow stochastic is now over sold. My MACD is still negative, and my RSI is still below the 50 mark. So those are things that I'm taking into account, but I believe building a position at this range on a speculative point of view, so this is a trade towards 746 is what I'm going to do, and that's how I'm going to position. Before we rush to buy, let's consider these concerns. One, dilution. BBAI has diluted shareholders by 85% since its SPAC merger by issuing new shares. Two, insider selling. Over the past 3 months, insiders have sold 80.5 million shares, typically not a vote of confidence. Three, competition. BBAI faces larger competitors like Palantir, which generate 2.8 billion in 2024 and is already profitable. Short interest. High short interest could create volatility in both directions. Yet, short interest could drive the stock higher. So is BBAI a buy? It depends on risk tolerance and your investment horizon. The bull case, you're getting exposure to AI defense sector at a reasonable valuation with a company that has secured significant government contracts and shows a path to profitability. The bear case, on the other hand, you're buying an unprofitable company with dilution concerns, strong competition in the stock that has already risen dramatically. Palantir is the example of that. My take. So what's my take? My take is BBAI is positioning itself with the right, basically, government contracts that could generate incredible profitability. On the other side of this, from a 3-month standpoint, shorter term, I'm believing this is more of a speculative play that I'm willing to take a chance in. With after last week's sell-off in AI stock driven by NVIDIA and this recalibration of volatility, I see an opportunity with BBAI to actually make some money in the short term. Long term, government contracts, long term, this could be a gem. It's a matter of what your risk tolerance is and how much are you willing to wait for BBAI to become profitable. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Hit the subscribe button and the like button and go check us out. We are offering a new service as of today, Monday the 3rd, 7:30 a.m. It's called The Morning Edge. And this is where Mark and I host a roundtable discussion about the events of the day, what is to come, how to trade them, how to invest in them, and how to make money. So check us out. Go to the link in the profile to sign up if you're not a member. If you're a platinum member, you get this as a part of your package. If you're a gold member, you can upgrade for $15. And if you just want the morning edge, it's $30 a month. Subscribe, cancel anytime. Go check it out, learn more. In the meantime, have a wonderful day, a wonderful week. Stay safe, and always, always live loud. See ya.